welcome to all of you in Little Flower Children's School Ghosi News channel. I am your host Anjali Yadav and welcome to our special segment where we recap all the exciting events and activities that took place in the month of February. Headline number 1, Yuva Tourism Club Competition on 4th February. The Yuva Tourism Club Competition was successfully held on 4th February at LFCS Ghosi with great enthusiasm and participating from students. The event aimed to enhance student knowledge about tourism, culture, heritage, and general awareness. Students from different classes actively part in this competition and showcase their excellent knowledge and confidence. Among all participants, the student of 7th B performed exceptionally well and secured first position. Class 9th A got second position and Class 9D got third position, bringing pride to their classes. The school administration and teachers congratulated all the winners for their outstanding achievement and encouraged all students to continue participating in such educational activities that promote learning beyond textbook. Headline number 2, Little Star Sport Meet 2026 celebration on 7th February. Little Flower Children's School Ghosi successfully organized the Little Star Sport Meet 2026 on 7th February 2026 with great enthusiasm and joy. The event was especially conducted for the tiny tots, aiming to promote physical fitness, confidence, and team spirit among young learners. The program began with a warm welcome followed by the colorful march past by the Little Star students. Children actively participated in various fun-filled sport activities such as running races, ball games, balance race, and other age-appropriate events. Their cheerful faces and energetic performance filled the playground with excitement. Teachers and parents encouraged the participants wholeheartedly, appreciating their efforts and sportsman spirit. Medal and prizes were awarded to the winners. While all the participants were applauded for their enthusiastic participation, our respected principal, Mr. Sanjay Rai sir, congratulated all the students and appreciated the efforts of teachers for organizing such a meaningful event. He emphasized that sports play a vital role in overall development of children, especially at the foundational level. Headline number 3, English Speech Competition on 14th February. An English speech competition was successfully organized at LFCS Ghosi on 14th February 2026, where students showcased remarkable confidence and speaking skill. In the competition, Mukesh from Class 6 secured first position with his impressive speech delivery. From Class 7, Ramesh achieved first place, demonstrating excellent pronunciation and expression. Meanwhile, Ruli Yadav from Class 8 also won first position, winning appreciation from judges and audience alike. The school management congratulated all winners and participants for their outstanding performance and encouraged students to continue enhancing their communication skills. Headline number 4, Hindi Poem Writing Recitation Competition on 14th February. Hindi poem writing and recitation competition was successfully organized on 14th February at LFCS Ghosi, where students participated enthusiastically and showcased their creativity and literary talent. During the event, participants presented beautiful poems on themes such as patriotism, nature, social awareness, and moral values. The judging panel evaluated the performance based on pronunciation, expression, language accuracy, and presentation style. The school administration congratulated all the winners and participants, stating that such competition helped develop student confidence, language skills, and creative thinking. The program concluded with the distribution of certificate to the participants. Headline number 5, third death anniversary and unveiling the statue of founder late Mr. Vijay Shankar Yadav on 14th February. A grand cultural and educational program was organized at Little Flower Children's School, Sikatia Overbridge, Mau on 14th February 2026 at 4 p.m. The event marked the unveiling the statue of founder manager Mr. Vijay Shankar Yadav along with the representation of the play Andaz-e-Azad based on the life of freedom fighter Chandrasekhar Azad. The program was graced by distinguished guests including special guest Akhilinder Mishra from Mumbai, chief guest Dr. Ram Shankar, and presiding guest Arshad Jamal. Student of the Constitution, staged the play with great enthusiasm, portraying the patriotic life and sacrifices of Azad, which deeply inspired the audience. On this occasion, a new platform for JEE and NEET preparation was also inaugurated, aiming to promote advanced academic guidance to. On this occasion, a new platform for JEE and NEET preparation was also inaugurated, aiming to promote advanced academic guidance to students. The school management expressed gratitude to all guests and attendees, stating that their presence was a matter of pride and motivation for the students. The program concluded with the appreciation for the performers and the message emphasizing education, patriotism, and dedication towards national values. Headline number 6, Inauguration of Basketball Court and Badminton Court on 20th February. The sport infrastructure at LFCS Ghosi was enhanced with the grand inauguration of a newly constructed basketball court and badminton court on 20th February 2026. The ceremony was formally inaugurated by Chief Guest Mr. Rajesh Agrawal, Sub-Divisional Magistrate of Ghosi. The event began with a warm welcome address by the school authorities, followed by the ribbon cutting ceremony and a brief tour of the new sport facilities. Students showcased their enthusiasm by presenting friendly demonstration matches in both basketball and badminton, highlighting their sportsmanship and talent. Addressing the gathering, the chief guest emphasized the importance of sport in overall personality development and encouraged students to actively participate in physical activities along with the academics. He praised that school management for providing modern sports facilities that promote fitness, discipline, and teamwork among students. Headline number 7, Inter-House Quiz Competition on 21st February. An inter-house English quiz competition was successfully organized on 21st February at LFCS Ghosi with great enthusiasm and competitive spirit. The event aimed to enhance student knowledge, confidence, and command over the English language. Students from different houses actively participated in the quiz, which consisted of multiple rounds, including grammar, vocabulary, literature, rapid fire, and audio-visual segment. The competition witnessed a thrilling contest as a participant displayed remarkable teamwork and intellectual skills. In the senior category, Greenhouse secured first position with an outstanding performance, while in the junior category, Yellow House emerged as the winner after a closing constant round. Our respected principal, Mr. Sanjay Rai sir, congratulated all the participants and appreciated their hard work and preparation. The event concluded with a distribution of certificated applause for their winners, making it a memorable and inspiring academics activities for all. Headline number 8, National Science Day celebration on 28 February. National Science Day was celebrated with great enthusiasm on 28 February 2026 at LFCS Ghosi. The program aimed to promote scientific awareness and encourage students to develop curiosity and innovation in the field of science. The celebration began with a special assembly where students spoke about the importance of science in daily life and its role in national development. Various activities such as science model exhibition, quizzes, and speeches were organized, showcasing the creativity and talent of students. Teacher motivated participants to adopt scientific thinking and continue exploring new ideas. Headline number 9, Holi celebration for classes nursery to UKG on 28 February. Holi was joyful celebrated on 28 February 2026 for classes nursery to UKG with great excitement and enthusiasm. The tiny tots participated in the celebration, dresses in colorful outfits, spreading happiness and festive cheer all around. Teachers explained the significance of the festival and encouraged children to celebrate it with love, harmony, and safety. The little students enjoy playful activities, music, and cheerful interaction with their friends, making the day memorable and fun-filled. The celebration created a vibrant and joyful atmosphere, leaving the smiles on the faces of all the young participants and making it a delightful experience for everyone. With this, we conclude the highlights for the month of February. Thank you for joining us. We will forward to bringing more update next month. Stay tuned, stay inspired, and have a fantastic month ahead. Thank you.